today is a proud day because this project, which has been years in the making, is proof of what we can all accomplish together. And with that, it's my pleasure to introduce someone who has championed this project from day one. Please join me in welcoming Onondaga County Executive Ryan McMahon.
Good afternoon, everybody, and I want to thank everybody for being here and all of our partners. Today kind of represents a couple things. One, certainly a specific, really important piece of infrastructure that's being built, but really it's the first piece, the first groundbreaking of the development of something much bigger, and that's the Central New York Semiconductor Cluster. It's really important that we work with all of our different agencies at the state level and the federal level on projects like this to maintain the dignity of our environment, but also drive economic development. And that's what this is doing. This is driving economic development and opportunity for hundreds and thousands of people in our community. In addition to that, our elected partners, I want to thank everybody in this process to help get us here. Directly the town of Clay and all the representatives at the town of Clay for helping us in looking at zoning as we built out North America's newest mega site. Our county legislative partners, many of you who are here today, believed in me and believed in our vision when it was not popular. It represents investment, it represents new neighborhoods, and it's really the pillar of what we've talked about since we've been in this role. Everybody's probably sick of hearing it, but it's true. We had a philosophy that if we wanted to compete and win, that you needed to address poverty, you needed to modernize and make investments in infrastructure. So today we have the capacity with this piece of infrastructure to essentially service Fab 1. But we know that we are going to have 4 fabs built here. And we know that we are going to have a complete ecosystem built here in the town of Clay, in the town of Cicero, but everywhere in Onondaga County, and even going further into central New York. By making this investment today, we'll have the ability to treat up to 20 million gallons daily of wastewater, preparing for future residential growth, future commercial growth, future industrial growth, in addition to Micron. You are going to need the President of the United States. You are going to need your senators. You are going to need your congressmen. You're going to need your governor. You're going to need your state delegation. You're certainly going to need your county executive, but you're going to need the team here at the legislature, your local elected leaders, and the community to really understand that there's a time and a place to put the swords down and work together.
The county executive, the county legislature, and Micron are absolutely committed to ensuring that everybody in Onondaga County benefits from Micron's investment. Micron aims to prioritize socially and economically disadvantaged communities. The county continues to invest in areas like childcare and developing a comprehensive transportation strategy to reduce barriers to employment. By investing in our workforce, Onondaga County is helping transform Central New York into the semiconductor hub for all of North America. As the county executive likes to say, we're experiencing our Erie Canal moment, representing tremendous opportunity and prosperity.
And this project is happening. We're figuring out ways how to speed up and how to increase more investment. So we all need to work together to make this happen. And we're going to do that.